So this is the sort of stuff we like to make. This is Frank, because it's a bit of a Frankenstein. She's made up of about 10 different cars. Off the top of my head, ST170 engine, Mazda RX8 6-speed box, Escort English axle, Escort front cross member, rose jointed adjustable front suspension, tramp bars on the back. All in all, she's a bit of a monster. It's 3D printed, which is a very useful bit of kit. If you haven't got one and you like this sort of stuff, strongly recommend you get one. They're cheap as chips now and they work brilliantly. Inside you'll see she's a bit rough and ready, but this is built for fun, not for showing off. The ST engine is running on all the original Ford ECU, and the inlet manifold, quite helpfully on these you can flip them upside down so they can point everything forwards for rear wheel drive, which is really helpful. Yeah, so I hope you like Frank, and give us a thumbs up and subscribe if you do. Cheers.